Hello and welcome back to the home of the worst investor on YouTube. So it's 1st of March, and that means we can go and have a look at February's dividend income update. So before we get going, because I do forget now and again to mention it, this is not financial advice. It's just an entertaining video series of how badly my investing journey is going, and just to remind, my entire portfolio has not been in profit since October 2022. So that's how bad it's going. Okay, so Ecora Resources came in with £18.32. Primary Health came in with £17.40. There's two separate. So that's the property income part, which is now classed as property income distribution. I've noticed they've also changed the ordinary type, which is £3.30 a year, to just dividend. So Trading212 has played around with the classifications. And then we got Solar Fund Foresight. Foresight Solar Fund, that was £1.88. That's only for 100 shares. I've got currently one unit of Vanguard UK Gilt. It's a unit because it's an ETF, and that's what they're sold in. They're sold in as units instead of shares. And depending on whether or not the iShares version of this pays out more or pays in comparison to the share price, will dictate, I should say, which will I put more money into going forward. So I do find that Vanguard to be a little bit on the pricier side, but who knows overall. And then it finished off the month then with £6.86 from PIMCO US short term high yield corporate bond index, which is the only monthly pay I've got now. So these are all quarterly, and I've got one monthly at the minute. I did, this is a little quick little experiment I'm doing. I remember watching one of the Americans YouTubers. Can't remember his name in a minute. But he had a guest on there, which he does like an hour or so session with a certain guest. And Steve Selengut ended up on the show. So he was on about how he should every now and again take profits here and there, because you never know when the markets will go up or down. And as well as he does like dividends, he also does believe in taking capital gain profits. So what I did is, because Lloyd shot up to 60 odd quid, I decided to sell that the other day. And basically I'm looking to get Lloyd's share when they announce now in April. Well, they're paying in April. They go ex-div on some date in April. So the idea is to get back in around the 43, 42 price before then. If not, I'm better off just not selling, just to try and make a short-term profit. Just done okay in the past, but you know, maybe the likes of BP and that could have stayed in for a while. Who knows? So that is one experiment I'm doing in a minute. So we'll see how that. I'll tell you how that one goes in April. But for now, that is it for the month. That monthly total came to £47.81, by the way, and that's current dividend total for the year of £129.6 and 6p. So if I haven't bored you, have a good trading month this month, or investing month, whichever way you would like to do a bit of. And I'll see you for my next boring update on my dividends journey. Until then, have a good month, and I'll see you next month.